What up? The color looks a little weird. Oh well. Um, I have been snowboarding all day. I only have like 40 minutes. Yeah, I am wearing a green shirt. I only have 40 minutes to work-ish. So yeah, gonna get some work done, and you're welcome to join me. I would like to ask a favor though. If you are not already a member of the KCD Discord, um, Discord, yeah, community, the KCD community on Discord, then I would like to invite you to please try and join, because it appears that some people are having a hard time joining. I actually have my bot will say whenever somebody is joining, and nobody has actually successfully finished joining all day, except, well, one person this morning. So I'm just worried that maybe that's not working. So if you could go to the link in the description that shows you how to join the chat if you're not already a member of the Discord, and yeah, let me know if you can join. That said, this is where the chat happens, so I ignore the chat that is in YouTube for various reasons. If you want to chat, this is where that happens. Feel free to join us there, and we can chat it up. And good news, it looks like my bot was able to create the event and all of that stuff too, which is nice. Okay, so let's just wrap. What, the color looks funny on like the camera. I don't think it always looks like this. I wonder why. What happened? That looks a little better. I wonder what happened. I don't know. Yeah. I wonder if I go to filters. Whoa. Did I change it, or did? Yeah, I think I did change it. Whoa, don't want that. Nope, that's not good. Shoot, that was at 80, I think. Dang it. It was this one. Yeah, we'll leave it right out there. Okay, well, I don't know. Colors look funny. It's okay. So, where did we leave off? Here's my fly thing, and let me close this. Okay. I feel like I did something. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so I explained what these are for. Yeah, until it's up to date with what the user is expecting. And once it is, here, before we send the response. We'll also have a timeout so they aren't waiting forever. In that case, we'll just send a fly replay so the primary can handle the request instead. I need to have another tutorial. This is going to be deploying a Node.js app with SQLite to fly.io. And this is the simple thing. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to take a couple of these things Yeah, here we go. All of that is going over here. Deploying a distributed Node.js app to fly. Okay, here we go. So I have deployed. So we're going to have two different tutorials. Here's like the easy thing. Most people should probably be able to get by with just this. And then at the end, a little teaser, if you want to do the advanced stuff, then and do like multiple regions and make things faster and whatever, here's how you do that. And it's a lot harder, but you're buying into this. Okay, somebody just mentioned this. So, unknown error message, rats. Thanks for reporting. I'll look into it now. Okay, detour, because nobody can join Discord for right now. I'm guessing this has to do with multiple region, the changes to the to my app to support multiple regions. And yeah, let me see if I can figure out what that is. I've got the logs running right now, which I can't show you. There's nothing, there shouldn't be anything in here. Actually, you know what? There are emails that sometimes show up in here, so I probably better not. Also, auth codes, so probably not be good. Okay, so I'm seeing unknown error in Brazil after we handle this Discord callback thing. So come on. Discord callback. My guess is that somewhere in here, yep, here's what this is going to be the problem. Instance of request, then throw error. We are ensuring primary because this loader is doing a mutation, which is really annoying that it we have to do it that way, but that's just the way that this type of thing works. So fix Discord connection. We're going to push that, but we're also going to do fly deploy remote only. Get fly to deploy it from local because fly is having trouble deploying otherwise. So I'm deploying a fix for this right now. Even watch. Okay, somebody's at the door. I'll be right back. All right, there we go. Okay, so hopefully this is still taking forever. I don't know. There we go. Load remote build context. I don't know what is happening right now. Looks like it is. Now it's running the Docker build. But it's running remotely, so like hopefully pretty fast. I did this earlier today because Fly's been having trouble with its GitHub action. If we go to actions, actually, this will probably fail. Ooh, I'm almost at 3,000 workflow runs. But yeah, the build will succeed, but the deploy will probably fail. So yeah, that would be kind of unfortunate if the deploy actually worked. I don't know what happens when you are trying to deploy two things at once. I suppose we'll find out maybe. But yeah, here we go. We're running the install. You know how I'm blocking the terminal output for you all? I also have somebody blocking the terminal output for me. I've got Cody the Koala over here sitting right there, right in front of the terminal output. So I should probably move him, maybe move myself. I don't know. I don't think it's that critical that you see all of this. If I thought that it was, then I would I don't know. There you go. Can you see that? Great. Okay, this deploy is running. I wonder what it's going to do. Maybe I should stop this. Yep, I'm going to stop it. I don't want to cause trouble in case the deploy does work here. And oh, there it is. It failed again. Rats. Now I've got to do this again. Dang it. I just don't want to cause problems. Maybe it'll be faster this time because it's cached. I don't know. Probably not. Let's see. No, it looks like it's doing the same thing over again. Where's the step? Sending build, yada, 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 building image with Docker. Okay, building took 159 seconds. And then 95.3 seconds. I don't know. It's going to take a while, sorry. But we're going to assume that's going to work. We'll just let it run off on its own. And here, actually, status github.com. They say everything's running. So there was an outage or like a degradation in performance earlier that we thought maybe that was the problem. But yeah, evidently that's not the problem. If you want to get really serious, then you can read a follow-up post which continues from where this leaves off by deploying or supporting multiple regions. That's right, distributed SQLite. Let's get going. Okay, so this is a lot easier. Getting the Fly CLI started, Now you need an app to deploy. Whoops, I think I just messed up something. Okay, let's open this up in another tab. Let's get rid of all this. The speed of light is fast until we're talking, unfortunately, Modern user experiences demand faster than the speed of light can offer. When you're hosting your website in Virginia, but people are visiting it from Sydney. Virginia, USA. Sydney, Australia. There we go. The latency can be hundreds of milliseconds. I missed an L. There we go. And that's not great for, and in some, for some use cases that can really hurt the bottom line. Line. Or at least be really annoying for your company's CEO who happens to be, who's trying to access your internal tool from their phone in Hong Kong. In the rain, uphill both ways. Yep. Okay, that's why. All right, deploying is happening. Fly status watch. Okay, we've got a couple up. Aha, yes, that does help, Alta. You are probably hitting, in Argentina, you might be hitting Brazil, but you may be hitting Denver. But I have, Denver is the primary region, but I have two regions in Denver. And so if you are hitting Denver, then you could be getting the non-primary region, which would trigger this issue as well. Just give it 1 second as these as this deploy finishes up, and then give it another try. And yeah, we should be good to go. Man, deploys are they're like, there's so much stuff going on in my logs right now. I think it should, yeah, I don't know. It should be working. Saying rolling back. Rats. Man. This multi-region stuff is fabulous, but also really complicated. And it could be that I'm, since I'm deploying it from local something, it does look like it rolled back, and that's what 229 is. So that's too bad. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is saying no commit SHA environment variable set. Yep. Okay, so we're going to try this then. Local only, because I did do a local only. Oh, I forgot. I don't have Docker running. I did do a local only deploy and it worked. So we'll try local only. At least rollback was like pretty quick and easy. That's nice. Docker is starting. Okay. We'll try it again. Boy, that part was a lot faster. I'll let you know when I'm ready for you to try it. Hey, quick question for you, Alta, if you're still around. Whoop, you might be watching, but just in case. Did you notice the private thread in introductions between you and the bot? I don't know whether people notice that message from the bot. Okay. Yeah, running the build. Probably should, well, anyway. That's why edge computing has been so popular. Instead of running one server in one part of the world, sorry, I think that's, oh, that is that. One region. You run your server in many parts of the world, or in many regions, so the users have a version of your app or an instance running really closely to them. See, okay, we're getting there. Pushing, pushing, pushing. And then, come on. All right, whatever. Money. Geographically close to them. This sounds, yeah. This is really awesome. Or we've got fantastic options available to us for this, each with its own trade-offs. And the one, okay, yep, it's deploying right now. The ones I like best, or the one I like best is fly.io. Fly. See. Yeah. It's important to note that if your use cases are like most, you'll have perfectly acceptable performance deploying to a single region. There are other things you have to worry yourself over going multi-region. So, if you haven't already, so you may be find my the first installment of this deployment series sufficient for your needs. And we're gonna comment. Is there like a, yeah, whoops, nope, go away. That's the wrong hotkey. Link to previous post. You can start with the previous post and continue Yeah. Start with continue from where you left off with in my previous. If you follow my previous post, or start with my repo. And we'll probably do a branch or something. Okay, let's take a look at how this is going. 2:30. Oh man, we don't even have a primary in Denver right now. Site's not doing well. It's probably, who's serving this? This is coming from Sydney. Sheesh. The primary instance is Sydney. That shouldn't be possible. Yeah, currently deploying fix, having some funny issues. Yeah, yikes. Man, this is such a pain. Oh, good grief. Yeah, this stinks. Okay, so here's what I've got to do. Man, what a pain. I'm so sick of working on this. I just need this to work. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Gonna jump into one of these things. I need to know fly region. Okay, I'm in India. We're gonna run that and gzip it. And then we're gonna run this with the S flag. No, that so I can select which one I want to download it from India. So I've got a backup of my database just in case things don't go well. Okay, let's exit this. Oh. So the problem is that there is no primary region right now because Denver's not coming up. I forget. It's fly scale count show list fly scale list show. Yeah. Okay. I had to deploy from local due to issues with the GitHub action, but that shouldn't impact anything. The thing is that my site is technically up and running somehow. I'm getting served by, where am I getting served? Was it Sydney? What if I say fly scale count 1? I'm going to try to scale down to 1 and then scale back up. All right. Oh, now I'm getting some logs from Denver. There we go. Denver's coming up. Changing it to 1 has started, has somehow triggered it to bring up 2 in DEN and 1 in AMS and pull down the other 3. Oh, now we're just pulling up AMS. Hey there, Ben. Watching the stream. That's nice. Thank you. Yeah, so now we're just pulling up AMS. I don't know why. As far as, hold on a second. You know what? There could be, I'm seeing type errors. Oh, good grief. What the heck? Do you know if there's a way to deploy a previous version? Yeah, so when it's pulling it up, it's getting a type error. Why the heck is it getting a type error? What the heck? That is the strangest thing. Okay. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I think I might know what's going on. And this is probably related to the fact that I'm deploying from local, but I did deploy from local earlier. No, I'm setting the node environment to production, so it definitely should be pulling from here. Somehow, maybe there's something with source maps or something. I don't know. That is the craziest thing. Okay, so we're gonna try, yeah, fly scale count 0. My site is going down. Okay, and then let's go to fly deploy local only. Sydney is trying to come up. I'm getting logs that Sydney is trying to come up. See, it's running the build right now. Should definitely be building. Oh, great. It looks like I never actually finished downloading the backup, maybe? I don't know. Or something weird happened there. I hope I have the backup in my, like a backup from a couple days ago. Because that would be a bummer if I lost all my data. I shouldn't have a problem. That should be fine. Fly takes backups every day. Yeah, I've got, this was from 2 days ago. So I've got that in my recycling bin or whatever. Fly release image should show a list of previously released images. That's handy. Can I deploy one of those? Okay, we're gonna kill that one. Whoa! Lots of images. Okay, cool. I presume that I'll be able to deploy that. Okay, fly scale count 1. And fly status watch. Okay, fly deploy with an image flag. Yeah, okay, so apparently the image that it's got has some bad built code or something. I wish there was a way for me to dive into the image or something. I don't know. Let me see what images I've got locally. Technically, I have a break coming up soon, but we're not going to take that for sure. Because I've only got like 12 minutes of work left. Unless this doesn't work. Oh man, I'm using the Docker UI to look at my images, and it is not awesome. Let's go with created about a year ago. Wow, yeah, I still have my Redis and Postgres databases from my old site. I'm going to delete these forever. I do not need these anymore. There's no way I'm going back now. Okay, and I don't have the image for my site. Okay, hey, that's good. This is good. 234. Let's look at this. And that's coming to me from Denver. All right, sweet. So now, fly, scale, count, 6. Bring them all up. So I'm not sure why, but there was something wrong with the Docker image that I pushed up. I don't know. It was super weird. I didn't do anything different. So I'm gonna just chalk this one up for Docker hocus pocus nonsense. But yeah, it looks like we've got Denver almost up. Amsterdam is coming up. There we go. We've got 2 instances in Denver now. And Brazil is coming up. Uh-oh, Amsterdam is having trouble. All right, sweet. Amsterdam is good, and Brazil. Sydney is coming. The logs are showing that Sydney's up. I'm not seeing anything from Chennai yet. Chennai is always the slowest one to come up, it seems. But anyway, we should now have the ability for people to join the Discord. I'm just going to ping some folks to ask them to join the Discord. Okay, yeah, MAA. Shania is unpacking the image right now. Okay, sweet. Shania is up and running. So now, if you are not on my Discord, I would invite you to please try and see if you can do the connect to Discord thing. So you'd go to kentcdots.com/me, you log in, you get annoyed that Gravatar's not working. Gravatar's causing me all kinds of trouble. I'm going to figure that out. I even tried to do this. That doesn't work quite yet. And even if it worked, it wouldn't actually work. It's annoying. Anyway, you'll go to this and you'll have a little link to connect. And then go through that flow and hopefully you don't get an error. That's the idea. So, and while you're here, get your team shirt. Okay. 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 So we're going to go from here. And we're going to come all the way down to the Docker file. Feel free to follow this tutorial. Feel free to use an existing Node.js app you've already got or you've got already and try to follow along. You can continue or start with my repo. Okay, and I think actually as a tutorial, I will have a special branch that's like the starting point that I'll have people check out, and then they will fill in stuff. Okay. I'm looking at my logs right now and I'm getting some unknown errors. Good grief. Yeah. Rats. Kind of messed things up that Fly is having issues with its GitHub action right now. Sorry for the trouble, folks. Tell me your team color and I'll let you in manually. Looks like unnamed made it in. All right, Alita, or not Alita, Alta, you're gonna get, you said red? Yeah. Red team and member. There you go. Welcome. I think the reason it didn't start up is because the Docker which had a bad build somehow. The thing I'm concerned about is that it, instead of rolling back, it just fell over. Okay. I've got to scroll back to when these logs started. When did I start this deploy? That would have been oh, I know what to look for. Okay, here we go. There we go, starting here. Just grabbing all these logs so I can send them along. All right. Okay. Hold on a second. Where the heck is... Oh. Okay. Okay, so this stream didn't go the way I was expecting, but hopefully it was at least sort of interesting to see me be frustrated about stuff. I don't know. I've gotta wrap it up because the day is over for me. So I hope you all have a lovely evening or day or whatever time it is for you. And yeah, we'll see you in the future. Bye.